Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your region override on like a Discord channel. You do have to own this server or have the permission to do so. So select edit channel on the channel you want to like change it in, and then scroll down until you find region override. Anyone in this channel will connect to the region you set regardless of where they live. Regions affect voice and video quality. Leave it on automatic and Discord will figure out what works best. So I have mine on automatic, but for instance, it works best if you chose like Singapore for the region. I chose Singapore on this other channel and it works the best because we live fairly close to it. Well, not super close, but like not like as far as like the US definitely. So I choose sometimes Singapore or Sydney for my region override because sometimes my signal is like bad on Discord and I have to like choose the region override. That's what it basically does, but just choose it and it's going to save by itself. And that's it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!